Hello everyone. Today the MKT Tools official channel is back to introduce to everyone a method to help you manage thousands of Facebook accounts at the same time. That's how I use in the MKT Care software tool to help me manage thousands of Facebook accounts at the same time. The first interface is the account management section. This section helps us manage all the accounts we own. As you can see on the screen here, I own 1,459 Facebook accounts. Next is the account interaction section. The account interaction section helps us operate the Facebook account as a real user, such as personal Facebook account interaction, such as reading notifications, viewing comments, or watching videos, or rating this friend. Interaction section, interact with friends like post, then friend. Then see information or interaction section and group. You can join group and like this post, like this comment, or comment on any post and other actions. There are also fan page related actions, such as like fan page or follow or like a post depending on each person. If you like an action, click here. That is all the interaction actions of Facebook as a real user. Next is viral marketing, which helps us to control all Facebook accounts so that I can operate. For example, I can share this post or friend or accept friend and comment, message, join group, even post this personal post, this group post, or even post your own post. But to use all those Facebook accounts, I will need to switch account information. The conversion section allows me to change avatar information, change cover photo information, or change date of birth, then change area. Hometown location, for example. In addition, you can also change password, then change phone number, change email. Next is the account unlocking section. When you control too many accounts, there will definitely be problems during operation. Facebook will lock them to check for unusual activities, and then we will automatically unlock to open the Facebook account that we have opened. Lock 956 means unlock by email. Unlock 282 means unlock by phone number, and another item is unlock email, which means if you have a Facebook account, after creating, the email will be locked. You can use this feature to unlock. And next is the content marketing section, which helps us manage all the content, but allows me to post text or comments on groups. I can save all my pre-written content, or I can add or edit the content freely so that it fits your needs, and at the same time I can attach images, and now I can run the test. Now I will use the account interaction feature to be able to activate all Facebook accounts. First, I select the interaction script that I set up myself. Then I select my Facebook account. After selecting the Facebook account, I will activate all these Facebook accounts, and they will work according to my script, and for each account, click Start to start, and everyone will see the results.